Ima Imoynu Iratpa being observed across Manipur, traditional dance and various other cultural programs to mark the celebrations. General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and MLA of Thongju, T.H. Bishwajit claims there are 3 people in the Congress party eyeing for the CM's post, Gekangam one of the 3. 34 Assam Rifles temporarily detained President of All Naga Students Association Manipur and 2 other members only to be released later. Reasons for the detention yet to be known. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We would like to greet all our viewers on the occasion of Imoynu. And you're watching Primetime English News. I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Imoynu Iratpa Day is being observed across the state today. Preparations are on a full swing at Wangkai, Ningthem Pukri Mapal and Yumnam Laikai for Ima Imoynu celebrations. Iramdamgi Inat Yokhatlup is also organizing the 8th Imoynu Irat Thauni Thauram at Sedo Ground, Sengchamai, Sapam Laikai. People of Hairangwaithong are also observing the occasion at Hairangwaithong Bazaar. As a part of the celebrations in the morning, Pamang Thaugal Saitha Saiho was conducted. People from all over the localities have offered seasonal fruits, vegetables and fish to the deity. The main event will be held in the evening by displaying lights on the roads and offering rice to the deity. Traditional dance and various other cultural programs will also mark the celebrations. Kangla Religious Committee also celebrated this auspicious day at the Kangla Palace today. Narration of the tale of Imoynu offering flowers and vegetables to the deity, praying for a peaceful coexistence, etc. were performed during the celebration today. On the occasion, members of Kangla Religious Committee hoped for peace and harmony in the state. On the occasion of Imoynu, Imphal West Fishermen's Cooperative Federation has made the indigenous fish Pengba Kabak available in different parts of Manipur with an aim to conserve the breed. The federation went out on mobile vans in Imphal and other districts of the state to make the fish available for the Imoynu festival. They also provided home delivery facility for the convenience of the customers. Secretary of the federation, Nabachandra, said they have been preserving the Pengba Kabak fish for the last 3 years with an aim to conserve the breed, which is on the verge of extinction. He said this breed contains essential nutrients necessary for human beings. He also said the federation has been making the fish available to the people by mobile vans and home delivery systems for the last 1 month in view of Imoynu festival.
Imoynu gi mangoina na thama chumna akoi home delivery adekam mobile fish stall seva ji akoi hogjabani masi Manipur da leiriba akoi gi ichini daung jingna phil khuding makta sana na ba thangna na ba puthoi ba akoi gi awat pa si mengkhat na ba hona ba da akhoi na ngamjaba kitang oina akoi na mayam da seva masa amtang tawjabani koi na dagi hona jarak laba akoi gi ngami singna yam kan hona dana department gi mateng loina na akoi hajikti yamna puthokpa ngamjare tahi hum sumna yokhasaraba nga khra khabak ki stage di orba nga khra akoi na miyam da Imoynu numit sibaudang akoi thama sumna akoi gi home delivery market masam sa singda chatna akoi gi seva masam tang phanganjai.
General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and MLA of Thongju, T.H. Bishwajit, has downplayed the statements of Deputy Chief Minister Gekangam, saying that BJP will only win 4 to 5 seats in the upcoming assembly poll. He said Gekangam has made this statement since he is hungry for the Chief Minister's chair. Addressing the media at the party's office in Nityai Pachutek, Bishwajit said only after the election results will we know if BJP wins 4 or 5 seats. He claimed that Gekangam is one of among 3 people in the Congress party who wants to be the Chief Minister. Bishwajit challenged the Congress of quitting as an MLA even if he wins the next election, if Congress wins even 23 seats in both Hills and Valley combined in the upcoming election. He came down heavily on the Deputy Chief Minister, asking for proof that it was BJP who do not want an election in March. BJP said if the Deputy Chief Minister cannot prove it to the public, he should not be making allegations like a mentally disturbed person. There is no question of the BJP wanting to postpone the elections and that the party is prepared to face elections even tomorrow. Biswajit also stated that the public would have supported the Congress if their ministers and MLAs had rushed into Delhi for the economic blockade issue like they did when there were rumors of PR being imposed in the state.
Manga dagi hena kagadabu mande habde hena karaga di government dum semani habne ba Bharatiya Janata Party da manga kagera mari kagera adu di result na sakhi porkani Congress party ki ahi sing tana bi re har kanda leader sing punjan bi re har kanda Congress sing amri tamdane kulhum du shuna ka bagi leirba Shri Biswajit vote kara azuba topi gi na adu gi sarukpudi isa isa gi imung chenjan biu aduna leader winning bagi wakhal na ngaurba Congress party ji hujik chief minister ahum leirabani Maitai da ani amalai aduga sing dana Shri Gai Khangam na chief minister winning bagi wakhal won chida ngaw dana ma se peng choir bani habjima akoi thamjage.
Biswajit said both the Congress and the BJP are taking equal advantages of the economic blockade. He blamed the Deputy Chief Minister, who also holds a home portfolio, of being irresponsible for blaming the BJP and NSC and IM for the blockade. Taking advantage of the occasion, Biswajit asked the Deputy Chief Minister to prove that BJP and NSC and IM are behind the blockade. He said it would be wise to not speak up if the proof cannot be provided. People are aware that it is the responsibility of the state government to bring an end to the blockade. Biswajit questioned the inability of the state government even though the central government has provided paramilitary forces. He said Gakhangam should resign from the post of Home Minister if the blockade issue cannot be resolved. Biswajit reminded Gakhangam that the issues facing the state today was due to the consent given by individuals for Naga integration. He also said that the mass recruitment around the election time proves that the Congress party will not return to power.
Tasingna khangagana mani habiro confusion thon biranu khangdragana ngangbiranu center forces mayam pirakanda thugai bangam dabasi karamba sarkar no habisi ne ba koina hangningi di the ishana home minister oibirisi karidu orino ngamoidabu orgadi phamthado puna phaye amaga politically hunabagi muhutta praja sing wariba tawri puna makse kunanaba ek tawbiu center government na ekhoigi lakadar elections da tawhaning dabagi mami tai karamba mami no akoina hangjari tari bise madugi praman evidence laina ngang mangambra ngamdragadi karigidamakta ekhoigi peng choibagi type da pangang ngangbadi chumoi.
President of All Naga Students Association Manipur, Setsang, Finance Secretary Joseph and member Tokcho were temporarily detained by 34 Assam Rifles. According to reports received by Impact News, they were arrested this morning in front of Mount Everest College, Senapati during frisking. After hearing the news, the localities came out in huge and protested for their release. They were released later in the afternoon. No information is yet available for their detention. United People's Front UPF Manipur observed the 183rd death anniversary of King Chinglin Nongdrin Khomba as National Reconciliation Day today. People paid floral tributes at the statue of Maharaj Chinglin Nongdrin Khomba at Langthabal. Later, a rally was taken out from Langthabal to Singchamai Chinga Mathak How Ground. A public meeting was also held and various speakers emphasized the role of the late king in building the state. Speaking, the media persons, President of UPF S. Ratan Kumar said the current generation should not forget the role of Chinglin Nongdrin Khomba in uniting the people of Manipur to defeat the Awas during the 7 years devastation from 1819 to 1826 and his role in retrieving the lost Kabo Valley. Ratan Kumar said it is high time the people of this generation remembered the idea of unity given by our forefathers. On the other hand, he expressed dissatisfaction over the state government's way of observing the day for the namesake.
Manipur government ke baikai de so chinda ya da bagi chin base mase koi thawai nungai te I khujok kaya na ipasa ipusa kaya bana thawai na khuba hapaga maning tabak khuraya ma porki base ngasi ge Manipur ki lainiba laingak doi sanga sina tawri base mase United People's Front na asula tawhning de amadi tungdal lakadoriba amadi phire punamakta ekhoigi chap chaba phire ama lepminase haibasi ngasigi pikliba itauk sing mayam sing pulaka ngasigi khongchat chimase masi ekhoi samjin jabani.
Manipur People's Party observed the 183rd death anniversary of Maidingo Chenglin Nongdren Khomba at the party's conference hall. In a press release, the party also greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Imoinu and Gangai. Kiamgai Youth Committee organized a rally of the youth of Kiamgai under Kairao Assembly constituency yesterday. It was organized with an aim to not destroy the integrity and solidarity of the people of Kiamgai due to the upcoming 11th Manipur Assembly election. About 1,000 youths of the area took part in the rally. A person has died and 15 injured in an accident involving a bus and a Tata truck. The accident occurred at around 11:30 this morning near Maibam Lotpaching under Nambol police station. Sources from the sport said the bus bearing registration number MN02A 2101 coming from Churachandpur and Tata truck bearing registration number MN02A 5525 coming from Imphal collided about 200 meters from Maibam Lotpaching. The deceased has been identified as 83-year-old R.K. Chandrakumar of Nacho Bazar. The injured are currently being treated at RIMS. Of the injured, 3 are said to be in serious conditions. It is yet to be ascertained if the accident was due to the brake fail or a steering problem. Nambol police station has registered a case. Tingtam United Women's Association has greeted the Kabir community on the occasion of Gangai. In a press release, the association hoped the festival brings peace and harmony among all the communities living in the state. Time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital. Performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available. Hurry for advance booking to avoid disappointment. Free charge for BPL families.
Manipurda ihan hanba oina Sigma Bazar da phangbiragani melamine crockery items sing kg amada lupa chani khudong chabasi lawbiho ngasi maglengsin birau Sigma Bazar Dingku Road.
Tata Shakti J6 set Sizinabiu. Government piba guideline gi matung inna chap chana quality control torba Tata Shakti ki product ni. Tata Shakti ki product sing set asigi district khudimuk ki retail outlet sing da pangbigani. Tata Shakti.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polemlaikai Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016 including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I see success in Angel Coaching Yarn Everybody. Sunga Mama, I see success in Sunga Mama Hase. I have
touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean, and healthy water.
Ozam Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozam Lipsap group na puthok saba Ozam sinabiyo.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. International Meitei Forum has stated that the current unrest in Nungai should be discussed by the people of the state. In a press release, the forum said government and civil society organizations should make an effort to let the people of Nungai live in peace. They said they are with the people of Nungai during their difficult times. Current unrest and other issues facing the state were brought up at the 12th National Conference of All India Lawyers Union (ILU). 7 delegates from Manipur took part in a national conference held at Madurai, Tamil Nadu from 27th to the 29th of December 2016 that was attended by 730 delegates from 24 states. Addressing the media at the office of AILU Manipur State Committee on Governor Road, its Vice President Maishnam Jagjit said the recommendations given at the conference will be passed at the AILU Northeast Unit meet on 10th of March this year in Agartala. He further stated that the hardships faced by the people due to the economic blockade by UNC, issues on territorial integrity, advocate welfare, lack of judges, and NSC and IM peace talks were brought up at the conference. 7 resolutions were also passed at the conference.
Manipur High Court 2013 de legre Manipur High Court ki aur judges atoba court singi subordinate court ki judge hap kadamni aduga miyobegi hak khogauna ba hoji ampro special wa ki checheng phanguna leiribe state asida akoi ki Manipur Human Rights Commission je yam thuna lingadamni ukil singi yaifa thorang lakhona betamta Manipur da su advocate welfare act ki matungna advocate welfare rules saiba man 2016 ki December same kare badi yam thuna chanahan gadabani.
Representatives of young guardians of Manipur have helped an 85-year-old woman, Ibem Pishak from Laimakong, providing her with food and other items as a part of their helping mission. After the death of her son in an accident, Ibem Pishak has been living with her 3 granddaughters in a miserable condition. She hasn't received assistance from any form despite the various yojana and program for the poor taken up by the central and state government. Although the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 exists, General Secretary of All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association AMPFA Wahengbam Inau has claimed that it does not function. He made this statement to media persons on the occasion of the 20th Foundation Day of the association at Rup Mahal Theatre on BT Road. Inau further said the government has wasted large number of paddy fields in the name of development. Individuals have also built homes, factories, schools, etc. However, no actions have been taken under the Act. Many farmers and organizations that support AMPFA took part in the Foundation Day celebration. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of late Nomaitham Joy, who played a major role in the association.
Yamna humble request ni Manipur government haisi Manipur da lairiba lakham singasi mangsil arodi tungi mirol da puthok from leitabagi awaba du mayon gadaribani All Manipur Progressive Farmer Association na asumba ek ainasi amona semdok payment of darkar oi haibasi Manipur government da akanba wafam tamjari Manipur da thengnariba samisya singasi makoi ju khangibani aduna asigumba si konge harabdi Manipur government gi authorities singi pukeng chengba adu mathok ta haibasi tamjari.
The 16th hour burnt coal by Hill Tribal Council against the brutal killing of S. Otkomang Mate, village headman of N. Gamnom Kul Mori Block and chairman of church Tilpau Haukip has largely affected normal life in Mori. Mori town wore a deserted look, people did not attend the market and no vehicles were seen plying on the road. Band supporters blocked the road and made the commuters return. During the Band, Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate 1 and 2 was open, however, business was not as usual. Nupilal Memorial Association organized the third death anniversary commemoration program of former Nupilal Memorial Association's president, Krabarabam Ibn Pishag. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of the president at the event held in Amodon, Tera Kaithel, Akam Lekai. Her role in building the Nupilal complex at Nityai Pachutek and various contributions she made to the society were recalled at the event. Manipur Democratic Union Imphal held a general body meeting to appoint new office bearers for the term 2017 and 2019. In a press release, MDU said Akam Kirgopal, Pangabam and Chungkham Puinachandra have been appointed President, Secretary and Treasurer respectively. An active member of Kangleipak Communist Party KCP, Lamyanba Kuman, has been arrested by Imphal West Commando team. He is identified as 63-year-old Chawba Singh, son of Kulamani from Kangabam Lekai. As per information received by Impact News, he was arrested last night at Sagolban, Kangabam Lekai. A Chinese hand grenade along with a detonator and 3 demand letters have been recovered from him. According to the police, Chawba has owned up the planting of a bomb at Pandam office on the 26th of December last year. Naga Political Leaders Forum Manipur has alleged that the CSO, columnists and scholars have not expressed much on the root cause of the economic blockade imposed by United Naga Council. In a press release by the forum, it said the prevailing situation is a result of the negligence and poor governance of the state government and said a tripartite talk would be the best to bring about a solution. And in sports news, the Indian team that will participate in the Boxing National Cup to be held at Serbia left today. Manipuri boxer Samjit Sabam Sarjubala will participate in the 48 kg category. The 15-member team is led by the chief coach Sandhu. It may be mentioned that Samjit Sabam Sarjubala has won medals in many international tournaments. Quick look at the headlines once again. Ima Imoinu Iratpa being observed across Manipur, traditional dance and various other cultural programs to mark the celebrations. General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and MLA of Thongju, T.H. Bishwajit, claims there are 3 people in Congress party eyeing for the CM's post, Gaikangam one of the 3. 34 Assam Rifles temporarily detained President of All Naga Students Association Manipur and 2 other members only to be released later. Reasons for the detention unknown.